Alrighty guys, what are we doing, John?
We are at the Air and Space Museum in Evergreen.
So, for those of you that don't know, in Evergreen there's an airspace museum that holds all old planes, World War II, modern planes, and behind me actually is the Spruce Goose. If you guys have never been here, I suggest you guys come. This is, I have to say, over my 10th time. I lost track after.
The bloody, it's that...
The what? What is that?
I'm gonna forget its name.
What is that?
No, come on.
He's forgetting. He's forgot. He's forgot.
No.
We'll check back into when he remembers all these planes.
But not de Havilland, it's the Grumman Goose. I had de Havilland.
So it's the Grumman Goose.
Yep, this is the Grumman Goose.
So guys, this airplane, right behind me, is the Grumman Goose.
Yep.
According to the sign.
Is a Catalina flying boat. That was
that one.
Yes, this one. That was flown as a Navy spotter in World War II over the Pacific.
So John remembers his planes finally. Surprising.
There's the DC-3 over there. This is the Huey, the famed Huey. And there's a
He's going totally nerd.
Oh, there is a Sopwith Camel, a World War I fighter over there. Oh, and American Clippers. Look at that.
So one of the things that absolutely blows my mind every single time I'm here is just the size of the Spruce Goose. Now you've already seen like the above picture from up above and then some of the floor videos, but like there's no way to explain how massive this piece of aviation is. And the other thing is that all that's holding up these giant wings is the base. There's no other additional steel framing or whatever, and it's all made out of wood, birch wood. So just take that into perspective. All right, John, how's the air part of the museum?
That was great. I loved it. And it felt so good to get back into some airplane stuff. I haven't done airplane stuff in so long.
So where are we going now?
Now we're heading off to the space part of the museum, and we'll see what they've got for us there. Probably some flight suits and some old technology. They'll probably have a scale model of the the space shuttle. They'll have to have that in there because that's so American space. But hopefully they have some good rocket stuff in there too.
What's your one thing that you hope that they have?
Ooh, good question. One thing that I hope that they have. A rock from Mars.
A rock from Mars.
That would be fun.
That'd be like out of this world.
That would be. Can I poke it?
I don't think so. Alrighty guys, let's go see what's in the space part of the museum. Alrighty, John. How's that?
No Mars rocks.
No Mars rocks. But there was a moon rock.
There was a little bit of a moon rock.
So,
Put in
but
the
it was
wax.
teeny. It was teeny. Like you could fit it on the tip of your finger.
Mhm.
Tiny.
You could barely even touch it.
But anyway, what about the SR-71?
Oh,
He's still geeking out about that, as you can see.
it's
Like-
just amazing. Just amazing.
So if
Oh
you
my
guys ever want to come here, it's Evergreen Air and Space Museum. It's roughly $27 for adults, and I think it's $15 for youth, and then under that amount for like seniors and kids. Again, very kid friendly. I mean, I've been coming here since I was 4, so I've enjoyed it. I really have. And John's first time being here. You recommend it to everybody?
I would definitely recommend this. This is great.
So for those of you that are interested in aviation, or even if your kids enjoy looking at
Airplanes?
things in airplanes, I mean, they'd enjoy this.
Oh.
So directions are down in the description if you'd ever like to come visit Evergreen Air and Space Museum. With that said, see you guys next time.
Right out.